Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I am playing Minecraft again. 1 second, I will close my door. So today I'm playing Minecraft, since I haven't played it for like 4 months. And I want to see if I can still do some parkour, since I was okay at parkour before, but, you know, let's try it. Sorry if it's laggy, this record is really laggy, and then Minecraft, since I've got so many, resource packs and mods and stuff, but I'm not using the mods. It's weird, but you know, let's get started. So I wanted to find, I haven't played on any Minecraft games or any Minecraft servers for a while. Okay, so this one, playing some Death Run. So, well, this is different. Oh no. Okay, so I want to go into this one. So sorry if you get the clicking of my mouse and stuff. I also have a new setup. So instead of me laying on my bed or on my desk, I've got like a little desk where I just sit down on the floor, which is more comfortable than my chair, since I've got really weird problems with my back. Sorry. Okay, so do you like the resource pack? I kind of love it. I haven't seen my skin in a while and I like it. I wish it had blonde hair instead of this color, but you know, that's that. I don't know what I'm talking about. Anyway, later I've got a game for basketball, and it's at 2, and now it's 12, so I really should be getting ready, but I'm not getting ready yet. But, you know, I'm really excited to play Minecraft again, and, you know, yeah, I'm just saying, you know, too much. Yes, I'm a runner. You must try and reach the end of the map. Be careful though, deaths are trying to kill you. I know what this is, but oh, it's so glitchy. Oh. If I run. Oh my. I hate this. Okay, so run. Why isn't this running? Thank you. Oh my lord! You know what? I reckon I won't fancy it. Wow. Oh my. That only does one. Yeah, I'm dead. I'll just try another game. I decided to go to the lab. Sorry if I'm really glitchy. It's because I've got a recorder and this, as I already said before. so it's gonna be really hard for me to play a lot. This doesn't even have a racehorse pack. It's so annoying. Oh no! Wow, I didn't think that was gonna happen. So if it works for me, I won't end the video, but this will be the ending for now until this gets back up, so I'll keep trying, and if not, then this is the end of the video. Oh, never mind. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye! By the way, guys, we need one more subscriber to reach 20, so thank you guys so much, and I'm sorry about this video. I'm probably going to name it Rage, along with my other weird video called The Vacuum Cleaner. Yeah, your local vacuum cleaner. I'm sorry about that. But anyway, guys, thank you so much, and you know, this already means a lot to me, even though we've only hit 20, but oh my gosh, guys, thank you. Thank you so much. Love you guys. Bye. Mwah.